Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Foot go fast in a poto for crossroad in order able reach over. By God in your power, you fall fed as them they come out, as they try for fly. By God in your power, you seize the boss as they patch for worker. You see, Ernest, a very dangerous politician. Salono ever gets. An incarnate of Albert Magai. You understand? Whilst this SLPP, then they fight for make them get rid of this bill, looking at the destruction where it don't cause for them party. This same APC traitors, where them political master na IBK, then they fight for let it not happen. For them believe say electoral justice coming, it they make them they lost the party. IBK no say it they lost the party. I don't know this man. He been on talk say after 3 months in the hand over they left the party. Imagine this man, they talk say in a pull them puller, them in non puller, in so in to German, to this. This same man now he want anything where they happen at APC, now in for controller. Like say the party now in your private entity. No wonder one of the best statements someone don't ever pull where in talk about this political slavery, and that's how a political party belongs to its members, not to certain set of people we consider saying that then get that party. A political party is not owned by one person or set of individuals. A political party is owned by its members, and this is a political organization. It gets members. It not belong to you, Anes Koroma. It not belong to you, Mansari Minkailu Jalo. It not belongs to you, CDI Tunis. Impotent man. Ofirata. It not belong to you, brigade man, Lansana Dumbuya. You understand? Bicycle aid, as Mr. Salon can put am. It not belongs to non-pauna. It belongs to the members, the grassroots Sierra Leoneans them. You understand? So for let una go sit down and say, we the party as a party we don't decide for move on. Who's move on? Now when I get the party belongs to its members, and majority of the members, we are a democratic party. Democratic principles we use. Majority carry the votes. Majority of the party members and supporters says we need electoral justice. So una pocket of una for go sit down say we don't decide for move on. No, there is no moving on here. We don't move on until we get this electoral justice. We don't move on until the 2023 victory is assured. It's given to us, APC. We don't move on as per constitution that the man will lead in your party to having majority of the valid vote cast to become the president, according to 1991 constitution. Say the party will get majority of the valid vote cast, na im for form government, and that the leader of that party, they will lead the party or will contested as the presidential candidate for that party, they eventually become the president. And there is no moving on if Dr. Samuel Kamara is not given his presidency. We are not asking for much. We know they ask for plenty. We are not asking for something difficult. We are not asking for something impossible. We are asking a simple. We are making a simple request, a simple and possible request. You understand? say what is due to Samoa, let it be given to Dr. Samoa Kamara. What is due to Sierra Leone and us, we will vote. We vote for somebody for a change. Let that change be given to us. And waiting at this change, now the APC and Dr. Samoa Kamara, now in the change. So if certain few people where they not get nothing, now then now for them your selfish interest, now for them your benefit, and that they don't go take bribe, then say they don't agree, the party for move on. There is no way the party they move on. Now these people are not able to understand. I think this Madam Joe Kuroma, he been telling me the other day, I go dwell much into them. Who say not being rich? You see, family, a political party, when una they go into contest, after the whole election, there are documents where una all get for sign. There are people where they testify. You understand? There are people just like in a school. Yeah. Even if the four master don't write everything, say you pass. If the principal we get the authority for stamp am promoted, even if the marks them wey that four master enter, then you passing grade. If the principal say nothing, e no give that stamp dey, and the teachers them, more we say the teachers that dem hold dem you grace them, and then grace dem wey dem hold, dem no give you the student passing mark. Even the four master wey na im get the right for prepare a result, like this case here so, the Mohammed Kone wey na im get the right for call the result, you understand? E come e say na this. If the principal and the teacher dem wey na the various or respective subject masters dem, dem no give passing grade, e no dey go know side. Wetin I mean na ya, the teacher dem na the independent observers dem wey dem get also the mandate for how you call am, for validate any document or any candidate in winning, for legitimize any pronouncement wey that commissioner dey make, alongside we the voters dem, wey na we go vote. The IRF forms dem dey wey show say that man dey not win. Even if Mohammed Kone go make the pronouncement like how he do pronounce am so, for the fact we don hold on to we point, and that the observers them as well don know say the man not win, there is no way BO dey move ahead with this. And above all, the one wey get the responsibility for sign on that document, they say yes, I don accept say this man win, and that one move on, wey happen for be the presidential candidate again wey contest with am. If you no sign on am, there is no moving forward na ya. Like the entire APC executive, like how dem do so, dem go call back the mama dem wey lay down so na dem grave, dem dirty people wey lay down so na grave, dem go call them all can support dem, say may APC move on. There is no moving on here, because Dr. Samoa Kamara no gree for sign that document. They say Mada Bio win, and once Dr. Samoa Kamara no sign am, Mada Bio is not a president in Sierra Leone. He's just a head of state for the time being. He's just a cannibal, an insurgent in our tier. He's a rebel, and that is why this anything will happen, we not even they call am a coup. You understand? Because in the first place, in a coup he make an electoral coup. So wetin we na here we dey ask for, and we don continue for ask for, we dey continue for ask for. Dr. Samoa Kamara no go sign on the document dem dey for validate BIO's presidency. That is one. Number two, we go continue for stand by Dr. Samoa Kamara. And number three, as we continue for ask again, we international partners, we development partners, we independent election observers, we come now so for observe this mission, the British High Commissioner, the American ambassador, the Germany, the Qatar Center, all the other, the ECOWAS, the UNOWAS, the African Union, the Commonwealth, we dey ask una all for make sure say this winning, this victory of Dr. Samuel Kamara is given to him. And we want for make una fast track this thing for let e no go born war pikin tomorrow, because it seems as if our patience is wearing out. You know, say you don't tell the patients, you don't say, but patience, like we leaders say, it has a limit. We don't want to be dragged to a position where we dey bounce and where they kill boku people them. We don't decide for follow the civilization of the 21st century. We use the pen, the mightiness of am, and not the bullets for bullets, like this munku and reckless insurgents in the talk. We want the right thing to be done and on time. You understand? But if the right thing is not done and on time, it has all the potential for send Sierra Leone into an other disaster, a very dangerous disaster, because we don't gonna give in. We don't gonna concede. We know they concede. Oh. We know they accept this for nothing, for one penny. We know they then these political slaves they are so this way executive. Make them just go tell them political master na Abuja say this thing emits a resistance of us. Una been feel to say na just 1 week, 2 weeks something, maybe longest 1 month. That is what una been dey think. Until wey Dr. Samuel Akama una hear from a subsequent audio wey tell una say this na marathon. And then most of them they realize say, oh, this one is prepared for a long haul. You understand? And this na marathon, we dey continue for tell una. This we know they give in. We know they left farm. We go continue for patience small more. But if we patience, people take and say we agree. We no agree. We just want the right thing to be done. We just want the most vulnerable people in our society. Make we not continue for create a situation. Make we not create a situation where we go endanger their life. Because even our constitution, we party constitution APC, e dey when you dey do something for endanger you company in life. You understand? E dey. So in as much as we are taking into consideration of all the things they are, we as well want the right thing to be done and on time. If not, we go take the other move. If not, I repeat, we go take the other move. But we know they accept bio. We know they accept Anes in proxy governance, because Anes is not in governance, but na im dey in control. Fatima Bio, Mada Bio, wetin dem too particular na for thief dem go build other side. You understand? Anes im want for thief and for control. You understand? Fine. Mada Bio is not in control. Fatima Bio is not in control. These are thieves. These are thieves. Dem just come for can thief and they go make other side. And that is why when dem come for can thief, wey get one lock, dem come, dem threaten. Wey e open small, dem take, dem continue, dem go buy inside dem get for buy, dem continue for bill. This is what they are doing. You understand? Una wey sabi EBK, una talk to am, make him pull him hand down with politics. Now with internal politics APC, now with salon politics, national politics. Una tell am say in time don overdue na the politics. Una tell am say enough is enough. Una tell am say make e no left the drag rope tey for can with am. e bring bush na turn. And e dey pan bring bush na turn o. E dey pan bring bush na turn. Una advise Ernest. Ernest, if e no left, we dey born in host dem. We dey born in host dem o. We dey born in property dem. Yes, because na because im don benefit and e don lay foundation for im own people dem. Na dat make e no want other people dem for come. Yes, we are not asking for make we get people wey dey can thief and left we. Wetin we dey simply dey ask, we dey ask for a Sierra Leone for all. We dey ask for a Sierra Leone wey go provide job for we, the people dem wey ready for work and wey qualify for job. We dey ask for a Sierra Leone, for a leader wey dey provide job for both the skills and the unskilled workers. We dey ask for a leader wey dey bring job for the disabled, as disability is not inability. We know. We no dey ask for plenty. We dey ask for wetin we na we get am. We dey ask for wetin due we. We dey ask for wetin belong to we, wey na we power. We don take dis we power, we don entrust am with another person wey happen for be Dr. Samuel Kamara. Make dem take dis power, dem give am. But we no dey accept any other person coming. We no dey accept Ernest Koroma. We no dey accept the APC executive. We no dey accept the pauper. We no dey accept Mada Bio and Fatima Bio. Lonta, we dey continue for ringa na una ace dem. Una take note. We patience no mean silence is not consent. Silence is not consent. I dey give una short parable before I dey go. No to parable, lis ten for art students dem. There was a time when the Sir Governor Kadri Fediu, this governor, Frederick Kadiu, wey bin be governor and sometimes in 1896. Yes, 1896, wey impose the hot tax per people dem. And the people dem, they advise am, look, we get we own culture na ya, especially for the Temne. You know say Freetown belongs to the Temne. Freetown, una wey no know, na Temne land, na the Koya Temne na dem get Freetown. Na the owners, the originators, na the landlords dem na Freetown. Na dem sell, na dem first negotiate for land. And that is why later, when King Jimmy come, he tell them plain say, look, we the traditionists, we the traditional people them, we the inhabitants them, we the indigenes them, we no dey sell land. We no get a tradition of selling land. We dey give the land. We ask for small thing, e dey give we. And wey dey around, e dey give we. E dey pay. Then half tribute dem dey. The man call am Esekeli. E dey pay am to the lesser dem, wey na the landlord dem, the landowners dem. So if you fail, we dey turn you out of we land. And whilst them your wait principle wey dem wan bring am and wey dem get that they wan bring am come here, then say no, dem may not sign a treaty wey show say the land belongs to them. And a treaty once signed remain binding even for future generation. That was also another hiccup. And the people then relax. The relax wey dem relax, wey dem don't talk, that no be ever mean say the people they accept. Then go sit down and settlement. You know ever mean say they accept. You understand? In fact, now that make in when this man he don't can impose the tax in 1896 for wetin dem call say them want protect the hinterland, wey dem call am the protectorate. and that the need for connect the protectorate to the colony. They face with the problem of building schools, health centers, construction of roads, building of bridges. Then get all the social facilities then they for provide. They not get money. And by then the British government don't pass a law say no British taxpayers money. And that law was passed in 1890. And na no British taxpayers money shall be used for any colony in West Africa. Dem pass the law, and that don't mean say any colony for find way for generate dem own income, for generate money outside dem dey for run the economy. So Freddy Kadu im alternative wey im see for generating revenue na for impose tax on people dem. The people dem tell am say no, we the lessee na we get the right for ask una for pay, na una come, una na stranger dem. Not to una dey can ask me for pay tax. Dem no believe, dem deny, dem move ahead, dem say dem dey collect am, and dem begin for collect am. When dem begin for the silence of the people no be mean say Baibure accept, Kailondo accept, Nyangoa accept. E no be mean so, Shengbe Pierre accept. No, e no be mean so. E mean say the people dem voice was not heard, or their voice were not heard. You understand? So then just go, then keep quiet and say, okay, more lefa. Until we don't talk, they no hear you. We don't tell them we own tradition, they not accept more lefa. And that silence with the people in silence, no be ever mean say they agree. See what happened in 1898. The hot tax war broke out. You understand? It broke out. So if I can relate them to this, our silence should not be taken for granted. Our silence doesn't mean we accept this political daylight robbery. Our silence or our patience cannot be taken as a tool or as a symbol or as a sign. Say, they don't accept. No, we don't accept. But una dey see all the writings on the wall wey una dey try for move on, una dey try for register, una dey register. These are all signs for tell una. Una dey come, una dey call for meeting, we no dey go there because we the majority, we don't give with trust, and we mandate to somebody wey don happen for be we warrior wey we trust. So if una no support am, we sef no go support una. These are the thing we don send all the signals out. If we patience una take am for granted, we go comot pa una bad o. We go draw with plan B dem. Not to say una get monopoly of what una dey do o. Una no get am. You understand? Una no get monopoly of what una dey do. You understand? If una think say una dey think crafty, una able draw crafty situation, I wan tell una say nobody is a reservoir of knowledge. Not to una na masters of knowledge o. Not to una na water well of knowledge. Nobody is a reservoir of knowledge. I repeat. As una dey think, we all dey think smarter. As una dey think smart, we dey think smarter. As una dey think smarter, we dey think smartest. So una be careful. As una dey work hard, we are working harder and hardest. So there is no way una dey turn this thing. Now 1 + 1, there is no way una dey say na 1, na 2. So if we don't tell una say dem for write the 2, una no agree, we go tell una say that 1 wey una wan for write, una no go write am na ya, because na 2. One thing, if they cannot accept the the right thing to be done, there is no need you accept the wrong thing to be done. Na we dey pan so. If una no wan give chance for make the right thing be done, una dey give una chance for make una do the wrong thing na ya. We are going to hold whose side we hold o, and whose side we hold na dey we hold. Na so we leaders say o. But I dey bring this notice back to una. Una try, una tell una political master EBK for polling hand, because this all wetin we dey do so, this na first phase o. When we dey come full-fledged for EBK, you no dey like that one day. we dey curse am, we dey write button na paper dem, we dey distribute dem paper dem na all the corner dem. We able do that one day. You understand? We dey make, we dey make CD plate dem. We dey act dem, concert dem, recordings dem, we dey left dem. We able pay for dem plate dem dey. We dey left dem na all the corner dem. We dey make writing, we dey make handout or handbill, we dey give people dem. We dey tell how EBK don destroy the APC and im own people dem. You understand? We able make dem handbill dem dey. We dey dish dem out from community to community, make people dem know. We continue for expose you more and more, and we go resort to burning your buildings, to destroying your buildings, including you surrogate dem, you political captives dem. I go stop na here. Ayonje, one useless guy, you can am a PV, they can't tell me before I go forget. Can am a PV, they can't tell me say me dey support Putin. Me, I dey talk about democracy, then me dey go support Putin. If Putin na democratic man, you see, una you dey say me dey support Putin, me mentor na Putin, then me dey ask for electoral justice na Salone. Me Putin, sorry, me mentor na Putin. How you go ask for democracy, then me mentor? Me na so I tell you say me mentor na Putin. Na so me tell you. Always support somebody, it means say you mentor, na you mentor. You see, this one na foolishness na yaso. This one na foolishness, stupidness yaso na im dey make. Una no dey ever, una dey see situation, wetin you no understand, if na audio sef, wetin you no understand, better you lis ten am over and over. Who say you no understand, you ask sef the author of am. You no dey do am o. E dey go jump into conclusion. So supporting or standing by Putin means say Putin na me mentor. Na so me tell you. You kakaras first for dem talk dem dey. And you dey talk about democracy. Putin, democracy means majority rule. Democracy, the major feature of democracy na majority rule. This na the main theme of democracy. Majority wins the vote. That is the main thing. All the other one dem na supporting details of democracy or supporting features of democracy. Regular and periodic elections, fixing of term. That fixing term na im make you see in America dem get wetin 4 years. In other country of the same democracy wey dem dey win na 5 years. Yes, not to 5 years. In other countries na 7 years. So fixing term no mean say na im na the democracy. The democracy, the main theme of democracy na majority rule. That na the first thing and na the primary thing that one day for democracy. All the other one dem na supporting. So if majority of the people in Russia dem say na Putin dem want, dem vote for am, the time being na people dem dey sit down dem set the time. If the people dem say na 7 years, na 7 years. After the 7 years, if the people dey extend the mandate or then you own democracy, because with democracy what they use here is a definition of the American and the ideology of the political practices of the American and the West. That is the democracy wey dem bring to we, wey we dey practice. Dem say na 4 years or 5 years. I know some countries like I say na 7 years or 6 years. As in the case today, Sierra Leone we decide say na 10 years or na 8 years per term, you go say no to democracy. If we say na 15 years for one term, na democracy still. Once we accept that day and that majority of we dey come for vote, we vote for one person. That is democracy. Yeah, your kakaras, you know they understand something. The one can talk about person. If they can am a PV, where can am a PV again? You stupidness, idiot. Takechi again am a PV. They can't tell me. I mean, I dey support Putin. me like na make right now dey support Burkina Faso president because I like person wey dey stand for im right. Yeah, the West dem just want for control people and they wetin dey exploit them, dey go enrich themselves. That is the principle, the ideology of the West. Most of the resources wey dem dey use na dem factory na yaso. If you wan forget, na me wey dem income na salon, the breaches. The sooner the British people dem failed, the way the America dem drive them because dem dey colonize 13 colonies, 13 states inside America. When the America dem drive them, they finally in 1781 dem turn them back na Africa. Not only dem bring calm dem people in 1787, dem say free slaves them. For can find root back, for can find who said dem dey colonize people in Africa na ya. And when dem dey colonize na America, dem dey do mining, dey plantation and mining as well. These British people. And when dem come na salon, most of the minerals dem wey make dem come na salon for colonize, dem no find dem na Freetown. I make dem declare the protectorate na the hinterland so that dem dey get control of the resources and they get I call access to resources for feed the industries back home. If Putin in dey see that one, they say, you know, they succumb to them, he stand up as against them. Me, I dey support am. Just like how we how you call am? We president na Burkina Faso. Yeah, Traore. We dey support am for because instead they stand as against that daylight I call am exploitation that then they stand as against the daylight exploitation, how the Americans, this West and they come, they exploit with minerals them, and when we sister them, then they up there or then they na them country, then they call them foreigners. Then they can then they sign all kind of things, then they do a lot of things them, we they left them free. Then at this we they try for free emancipate yourself from, like Ibrahim Kintoka. Yeah. So if they come, you can carry us waiting on no not talk about him. I tell you, say Putin am a mentor. Stupid fool. Family, before they go, I this we brother Mohammed Moyiba, they mention the hard work. This audio not be one make and long, but you get for long small. Mohammed Moyiba they talk about he say Abdul Kagbo not the try, Abdul Kagbo anything where they happen with the whole and responsible. Abdul Kagbo now he go take reference, he go draw reference to EBK. Even EBK na so no more day, but that time we been in our parliament. This na him we dey talk. EBK, anything we concerning him, where you know say in the benefit personally, na him stand for. Now make, I don't know who that inform the decision for make Dr. Samuel Akama not been take seats na parliament 2018. May not go na parliament. Dr. Samuel Akama before don't go na parliament, and now for don't go be the leader of the opposition at parliament. Even what happens, so the hurdles that's what we get. Long time, Dr. Samuel Akama for don't cut her. It means if Dr. Samuel Akama been going to parliament, that's way been get the opportunity for going to ECOWAS. After we the non-leader report today, say Salona this. Dr. Samuel Akama for don't expose all. You understand? But now he make EBK so believe this I not get 100%. I know they give na 100% pan this. Yeah. But I so believe say EBK na one pandy people wey play that game they for make Dr. Samuel Akama not go na parliament. Because him be know how he can work na parliament for make sure say when in they come back 2007, man go get a smooth ride. And he be able to get him. You understand? Be able to get him. Because he be not gain a lot of attention, he don't draw a lot of attention for make they no go rig the election. And that was waiting we fail. Cherry Coco fail for do. But that was the work of EBK, I so believe. You understand? For make na in the control am, na in the remote am, say no stand so, not stand so, we stand so. Do I they see Dr. Samuel Akama na inge for come back as flag bearer, and he go get a smooth ride. You understand? He left for use that bobo they say na dump they dump and so. Cherry Coco not the big president na salon. Yeah. The worst case safe, Samuel Akama not be president. now we dey go watch Terry Coco. He can't be president na Salo Efula. In stupid kaka force. If men go na Guinea, men go fight for power there. Yeah. Now, you see, so na that make. So Dr. Samuel Kama before don't go na parliament. So I no even want you go draw this, you go draw reference. He been do am for because he knows na him dey come back. And when he knows not to him dey come back in 2018, he do all thing for make the APC lost election. APC win am. Anes not been campaign for Dr. Samuel Kamau. Instead, Anes been dey go and sell in own self. Na so I don't do. They make a thank you tour. Na so I don't do. He dey try for popularize himself, making himself more popular than even the party. Then Anes, Dr. Samuel Kamau campaign so hard and get the power. When he get am, because he no want for in company be president, he say na regime change. Yes, now force am pan we regime change. So not even go draw Moyiba, not even go draw this man. He say that man they not do anything where they benefit Sierra Leone and the normal. But something where in no say in go benefit the if na 80% safe, then Sierra Leone then go benefit 20% or at most 30%. In benefit the 70%. Like I tell you earlier, 1/4 of all the entire term now he used for develop Salone. All the 3 portion of wealth he amass am. You understand? This is EBK. Now make it they support somebody back where they amass a lot of wealth so that this person not go continue for pursue am. This na the criminal sense way EBK they do. If they find way for let this man corrupt more, Madabio corrupt more, so he go left for chase am. Himself now way he want chase and I go say himself get tender. But how long you go can't do this kind thing to people where you if na something when una two get am, so una go able to do so you say okay wey you don't thief say make you come pin back am men can't thief. Now una two get am, but property wey na people and get am, una na just rename them because una self una get part day. So una don't can dey then give una that opportunity dey. Then they can do this kind trick here so and you are very very wicked. Like we see use for Siam the lioness. You are very, very wicked, Anes. Very, very wicked. Very, very wicked. You understand? Anes is wicked. So, Moriba, that man did not been do that one day for just the party. He do am for because now he want be president. In 2023, when he knows not to can't stand back, what he do? Even the time he make Cherry Coco boycott parliamentary sitting na ECOWAS, Abuja, he make Cherry Coco, he can endorse somebody where I call him, where don't disgrace the party. He can endorse him as a judge. We na Andre Fisher. We don't do a lot of things for him the APC for let APC no able go. Second term, 2023, no able get victory. In support all them bad trick then they. So mentioning EBK in certain goods them, you need for no say any side where they mention EBK good, na outside in no say go benefit. Na they that side na they